good with y'all? What's good? We tuning in for another video, and today I'm about to head to Napa. We about to finally drive Dolo. This ain't the first time, but it's the first time it feel like the first time I'm driving it, really. I mean, I got exhaust on it and all that, and it's running right. So to me, this is the first drive. The first drive when I got it back from the exhaust shop, y'all, obviously everything was off. So this is the first drive, but I got it pulled out. I was gonna go get the alignment, but I don't want to get caught in the rain. And I think by the time they get done all that, it'll be pouring down rain and storming. So I'm just running to Napa. I'm gonna get the AC lines made. I think this thing need a little more power steering, man, cause it's full. I don't know why. I don't know, man. Dang, still like it. A little hard to turn, but well, not hard to turn, but you know how that jump be squeaking. I don't know, it's full though. Maybe when I get to driving and turning some more, it'll be alright. Yep, I'm finna get this window down. I'm gonna put some rain nets on the window just in case still. Cause like I said, man, one of these wipers, I thought I need, I guess I do. I don't know what I need. See this arm, you know, I'm supposed to be able to pull it. That one over there broke. I mean, I don't know what it is. The assembly, I guess. See, the arm was back there in the trunk, but see, you know, I'm supposed to be able to do that. I just popped it back on, but I mean, anyway, I'm gonna go get this fitting, and we'll put this rain nets on right quick. Then we're gonna head out. Stay tuned. Well, I gotta pour some gas in. I'm made sure, boy, I ain't. Cause right now I'm trying to go to the dyno, so I ain't trying to put no pump gas in it. So I want to keep it straight racing gas, so when I dyno, it's on straight race gas. So I'm about to pour a little bit of this in here, keep by the gallon in there for the fuel cell, which I got some in it, but I ain't gonna pour all of it, but we're gonna put some in, so stay tuned. All right, we're in the car, ready to ride, y'all. Ready to roll. I gotta mount this up, man. I'm gonna have to go on and mount that up too. Won't be today, cause I think the rain hold off. I mount it up. Won't take long, but I need to get that up there so it start laying on the floor. So, but let's go ahead and get to this stove, get these AC fittings made. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all. I'm on the phone, cause it's easier to drive and record. But look at this steering wheel. Look, I'm going straight. Look how far this alignment off. Need alignment bad, man. That's why the wheels leaning in. For the people that don't know about camber off. Look at it, it's all bad too, cause I'm going straight right now. I gotta hurry up, put them rims back on though, boy. This is not it. 430s on 15-inch wheels, boy. I ain't going but 52 miles per hour right now. I already take the speed. But we'll be at Napa in a minute. All right, y'all, checking in. We made it to Napa. Oh, it's a little bright. Made it to Napa. Cranking up. So everything seemed like it's getting a little low in fuel, so I left my funnel at the shop, so I had to run in there and buy one right quick. So we just put some more gas in it, and about to get it back to the house. Doing good so far. It just can't ride fast. I mean, the temp good and all of that, but like I said, it's just the speed. But found out Napa, they said they don't do AC lines, they do hydraulic lines. So the guy gave me the number to somebody in Social Circle, and we're gonna have to get with him and see what's up. So no AC lines today, y'all, but y'all just stay tuned. We're gonna get this thing back to the house. All right, y'all, we checking in. Made it. I got to the gas station. I think I'm put about $10.93 in it, just to be on the safe side. So I'm gonna do that. I had to go to, man, I went ahead and stopped by Walmart for the lineman. They don't even do it, so I'm gonna have to go to I had went to some other place, man. Some other place down here. They the only person that do it this way. So we got a lineman appointment. Lineman appointment at 8 in the morning. So I'm gonna go do that. So we're gonna get the lineman tomorrow. Then we're gonna handle the AC lines after that. Cause I'm not driving this thing with these wheels on it, man. I'm gonna have to get the alignment. We'll put the 60 back on, then I can put it on the road. Cause the gear, I mean, it's too rough on these. But y'all just stay tuned. Finna gas this thing up. We're heading back to the house. So we made it back. Good, real first trip, I should say. This the real first drive. Cause I rode this thing around a good little bit, running from place to place. Didn't run hot. I remember last time I had that ran hot, but it was because we weren't turning, the fans weren't turning like they supposed to, proper speed. But it did good. Old Dolo did good. Run good, crispy. Shoot. Like I said, it didn't run hot. That's mainly what I be looking at, running hot. It didn't run hot though. I mean, temperature go up there at about 200, which is normal. When you you know, when you going on down the road, 3,000 RPM, which is normal. Cause I got a 190 temp thermostat in there, so you know, that's gonna be expected. 200 is where a lot of cars run, factory cars and stuff. Like the Camaro run about 200 too. The Denali run about 200. All that, so that's good. Then when you come down to a stop, or you know you creeping through town, it run 165, 180. It run about 180. When you in town in traffic and all that, man, let me go in the garage, man. It's too hot. So it did good, man. This ain't the end of the video though. I mean, say I'm gonna mount them gauges. It's just too hot right now. It's too hot to be out there fooling with that car. So what else? Temp did good. Said good oil pressure. It just, the alignment off. I showed y'all on video, alignment is way off. Way off. So we gotta get the alignment taken care of. Which I'm gonna do tomorrow, man. God, what, 8 o'clock in the morning. I got to be up there at 8. So I gotta get up. If it raining, then I ain't going. If it raining, we're gonna have to reschedule. But said I'm gonna get the alignment done so I can put them wheels back on. Cause I look, man, and them wheels, it's an 8 mile per hour difference between them 26s and them 15. At 3,000 RPM, it's an 8 mile per hour difference. That's a huge difference. But it's a huge difference in the size of the wheels too. But it just goes to show y'all how much the size of the wheel impact your final drive ratio. So yep, that's that. When it cool off, we're gonna get back on Dolo. We're gonna mount them gauges and little stuff like that, little knick-knack stuff. Get all that stuff out the inside that ain't needed. I really need to just bolt my interior piece of back. I might do that. Gonna put them back door panels back on so they get out the back seat and all that. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all. So it's the next day, man. It started raining on me, so I'm adding this in. We headed to go get the alignment today. I had set an appointment for 8 in the morning, so it's early. I done do it Dolo out. Look it out. How this thing runs so crispy. Let's go ahead and get over here to the alignment shop. I'll be checking in. Just picked the car from the alignment shop. They say they can't do it because I say I need a lower ball joints and an idler on. So I'm gonna get that stuff, then we're gonna get the car line. But for now, I'm over here at Lawless Street Car. Jesse, I'm on the phone, y'all. I left my camera, so we about to get these seats fit in the car. And I'm gonna drop these old seats off, so that's what we're doing. I'm gonna drop these old seats off, then he can use the brackets to make them fit, y'all. Yeah, I still kept them, so I'm gonna check in with y'all. All right, y'all, so about to drop the car off. So they're gonna end the vlog, man. I'll let y'all hear it one more time before we leave it, cause it probably be a couple days, a day or so. We have to pat the gas, y'all. Yep. We have to pat the gas. Let y'all hear it one more time. Well, it's running good now, though. It's running crispy and all that, y'all. So then I'm gonna check in with y'all in a minute, close it out. Alright, y'all, before I close this thing out, got some Summit Racing goodies that came. So I'm gonna show y'all this. This right here It's just a block that go in the passenger car. Y'all know, man, I don't need a passenger. That's why I got that cable, and I looked at it the other day and saw it. I was like, man, it's just a burnt up cable on there, man, from where it was on the truck. You know, it had hit the header. It's just there to block it off. But I went ahead and bought this. That's all it is. So if you don't have a passenger, which you don't need with a manual valve body, so I got this right here. That's what that is. That go right there. So when Dolo come back, I'm gonna put that on. And then I got this right here, cause I needed it. The vacuum canister. This right here gonna help with them brakes. Y'all see on the car pushing and all that on the 60, called the vacuum. So I got me an old vacuum canister right here. This the one I got. And they're gonna help with the power brakes or whatever. A little more vacuum. So that's what we got. So I'll be throwing these two things on Dolo when it come back. And we'll be good to go. So I'm gonna close the video out. All right, y'all. So we're checking in. Back at the house. I tried to give y'all an exciting vlog, man, but I really couldn't. I couldn't give y'all an exciting vlog, cause man, we keep running into stuff. Part of the game though. But I'm gonna tell y'all, I'm on the phone too, man, cause I left my camera. I wasn't finna go in there and get the camera and all that. So y'all see, I dropped the car off at Jesse. I took the car to the alignment shop appointment. They said that I need a idler arm and 2 lower ball joints. They couldn't align the car. Of course, I wasn't finna let them do it, cause you know they're gonna try to get over. So I was like, man, okay, I'm gonna go get these put on myself. But Jesse had called me early in the day, and Jesse was like, hey man, I can take care of the seats for you and all that. I thought he was tied up, but so I went ahead and dropped it off. So he's gonna get the seats done. But my boy Steve, my little bro, Steve Davis, man, we were gonna link up, which we still are going to link up on some stuff. Hopefully this week, man. We just gonna link up period anyway, man. I'm supposed to been pulled up on him at his crib. He's supposed to been pulled up at my crib. Cause they like my family, man. I mean, him been rocking a long time. He been rocking with me from the beginning. That's why he my personal family. So, you know. But he was gonna take care of it for me, cause I'm really trying to get to the track. But the weather ain't looking good either. So Jesse hit me up, said he gonna take care of it. So Jesse gonna get the seats in the car and all that. But now the car got to go right back to Joe Buddy Racing. Cause I gotta get the idler arm put on and the 2 lower ball joints. So, and I might as well do both of them. So if I'm gonna do one side, I might as well do both sides. So I'm gonna get that done. And that explains why the car driving crazy and lower ball joints would make your tires lean in like that. Cause remember, that's what I had to do to Wife and Monte Carlo before we brought it home, the ball joints. So that explains partially why the car driving crazy. So that's gonna help fix it. Then we get it aligned and we're gonna be straight up and down like we supposed to. But when Jesse called me and get the car, tell me the car ready, I'm gonna pick it up. We're gonna put the 6s back on first. Cause the only reason I took them off, I found out they can't get the machine on the back because it's so low. So I didn't really have to take all of them off. So when I get the car back, just had the car aligned in my hometown. I'm gonna drive it over there. I take the back 2 tires off in the parking lot, cause y'all know I got the impact and all that. So I'm gonna take the back 2 tires off in the parking lot and then let them align it and then throw them right back on and we're gonna be ready to go. So one more thing gotta be done, man. We gotta do the suspension stuff. And then so today I was gonna go in, man. I was gonna get the window going down and stuff, hook it up, cause y'all know I just be jumping off with the wire. All that stuff, we still gotta get the AC line made, and we about there though. We about there. But hey, Dolo is running Dolo running A1 now. It's running like a sewing machine, running like a champ. So I'm happy about that. But yeah, we about at the finish line, man. I can see light at the end of the tunnel, so I ain't even mad, man. I ain't even complaining. I can see light at the end of the tunnel. So by next week, I'm gonna say by next week, by the end of next week, I'll be all the way 100% complete. Cause I'm gonna do what I gotta do. Everybody rolling and I mean working. Shout out to everybody that's working with me. But like I said, by the end of next week, Dolo gonna be 100% ready and budget trim. Seats in, AC on, suspension fixed, alignment, wheels on, everything ready. So yep, that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. I appreciate everybody tuning in every day. I appreciate everybody watching. I got some heat coming for y'all this week, so make sure to stay tuned in to the channel. Catch y'all on the next one. I'm out.